How to add new address to Temu. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To add a new address to Temu, all you need to do is basically tap open your Temu application. If you are new to it, make sure to log in or sign up for your Temu account. Once you are in here, to add a new address to your Temu, at the bottom you will see a U icon or a person icon. You need to click on it. After this, head over to the option of addresses. This address is actually your billing address. If you wish to add a new address, tap on Add a New Address. Now, you need to fill out this form. Starting off, enter your country or region, then enter your first name and last name. You also have to add your postcode, street or address. Enter your phone number and tap on I agree. After that, you need to tap on the Save button. By this way, you'll be able to add a new address to your Temu. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.